Did you know that every time we choose a local product, we contribute directly to our nation's prosperity? We are the movers team from Naharkatia Jatiya Vidyalaya, and our project Gamusa Gaurav, Pride of Gamusa, is our answer to the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 challenge under the theme of Vocal for Local. A gamusa is a traditional hand-woven rectangular cloth from Assam. It is typically white with a red border and is made from cotton, but can also be woven from silk. It is a multi-purpose cloth used as a towel, a symbol of Assamese culture and identity used in social, cultural and religious ceremonies. It is also considered a token of respect and friendship. This is our gamusa.
Significance of gamusa. The economic significance of the gamusa lies in its role as a major source of livelihood for thousands of traditional weavers in Assam, particularly women. The gamusa provides a significant source of income and employment of traditional weavers in Assam. Challenges. The main challenges for the gamusa are prevalence of cheap, mass-produced imitations from power looms, which undermines the livelihoods of traditional weavers and the authenticity of the product. Despite the product's value, some traditional weavers can earn very low wages for their painstaking work, highlighting a gap between the market price of the final product and the income of the craftspeople who make. Younger generations are moving to cities for better opportunities, leading to decline in the number of skilled artisans who can continue the traditional craft. This migration jeopardizes the future of the craft and the traditional weaving techniques that have been passed down for generations. Solution. Government support. The Assam government has a role in supporting the industry. For example, by directly procuring large numbers of gamusas from local weavers for events like Bihu, providing a direct economic boost to artisans. It can launch a crackdown on power bloom made gamusas, which flood the market during festive seasons. Thank you.